everything is perfect here. We got good oxygen flow, clean water. Got my sexy sticker on there. There's a serial number. You open this a little bit. So I'm gonna open more. And then here's the power switch, the main power. Main power right here. Okay, watch the door. Look. Okay, so don't touch the door. You can slide it open. And then it has to show the door. See, no light?
No, they are having fun. Everything is good.
Okay, here we go. It needs to show the door is closed. Yeah. And then on the inside, you have all the buttons here to turn it on. From the inside. From the inside, yes. And there's a fan, air fan, there. That helps.